Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will be learning how we can download administrative data, administrative boundary data from Diva GIS. It will also include roads, waterways and places. So search Diva GIS. Now click on this second website, this one. Now here you can see you can select the country, the subject and format. Now I will select country, Pakistan, and the subject. So if you need administrative areas, you can download administrative areas, inland water, roads, railroads, elevation, country mask, land cover, country mask, population, and population country mask. Gazetteer. Okay, so you can download all these data sets. Now let me select the administrative areas. Okay, and click on this park administrative zip. So you can see here our data has been downloaded successfully. Now let me right click on it and let me extract this data set. Okay, now let me go to the ArcGIS Pro and we will be loading all this data set in the ArcGIS Pro so you can visualize it. Now let me open this dataset within the ArcGIS Pro. We will go to the map and within the map add data. Click on the add data and navigate to your folder. This is my folder. I can't see my folder, so let me refresh it. Now here you can see Diva GIS data. Now let me open all these shape files. Here you can see the administrative 1, administrative 2 and 0. So 0 is actually the boundary, Pakistan boundary. The administrative 1 is the subdivision, provinces subdivision, and this is districts. And we have further subdivision of the districts. Okay, so this is how you can download the dataset. Now let me download uh, roads dataset. Now let me download it. And let me create a new folder for it. And now extract here. Alright, now let me open this dataset within the ArcGIS Pro. Go to the map, add data, and again refresh it. And these are roads. So you can see here the roads network. You can change the symbology, right click on it, go to the symbology, and here select the symbol, and you can also go to the attributes table, and you can see here which road is which one. Like you can see here the name as well. All right. You can also download the elevation land cover. Let me download the land cover data.